With the generous support from the Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico Blue Impact Grant, we're helping people like Charlie prevent falls and stay safe where it matters most, at home.
I'm here with Vanjie and Dr. Charles, and they have so nicely allowed me to put a pole. As you can see, this one right here by the bedside. And then we just filmed the one in the bathroom. Tell me how you feel about it. Either one of you, just give me your feelings, how it's helped you, doctor, and Vanjie as a caretaker. Say again?
Bathroom poles are extremely helpful. Don't you agree?
Yes.
They made a big difference. With a little help, I'm able to manage the shower very well.
You can manage the shower well with a little help.
Now, when I get out of bed and reach for the pole, but the pole, just because of the physical situation, has to be about an inch further than I can reach. So I have to do a little rolling and grabbing
Right.
before I can get it. But once I can get one hand on the pole, I can stand.
Awesome. That must be a good feeling to know that you can do it without any help.
Right.
And-
I can, my routine with
How do you feel about the poles being here?
So this is the first time that I've ever seen a pole like this before, so I was kind of skeptical at first.
Sure.
And then when I came in and I actually saw them, I told Charles, okay, let's try this and see how this is gonna work. And I really realized they're very sturdy, so that actually helps him feel very comfortable and being able to hold on to it, and it's not gonna slide or move or anything. So he feels safe, very safe with it. So then I even feel safer in the bathroom if I'm having to kind of move myself around or change my way that I am.
Yes.
So he holds on to it, and he actually likes it when he's having to sit on the toilet.
Yes.
Because he can actually do that by himself.
Right.
So
Right, I
really
appreciate that.
Like it.
Did your business and get back into bed. Let's pretend it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you're alone.
Your arms are better than my legs or something. We'll try something.
It's an absolute game changer. I'm going to tell you because Lorna, another resident, received her first one and it made a world of difference for her. It gives her the independence and it gives her the confidence to be able to transfer herself with ease using her own body strength. And the way this works is you hold on, the resident will hold on and they can stand and pivot, which is absolutely amazing. They can do it at their own pace and they can get themselves into the bed for the bed transfer. It's a game changer for me because we have tried using the walkers and the walkers will tilt and we're holding on and we're also trying to help the resident. So this device here is absolutely amazing. It's made a world of difference for the residents that have used it here in assisted living.
A couple of years ago I had a stroke and it just kind of paralyzed my left side. That was terrible because no matter what I needed, I had to call for somebody to help me because I couldn't do it myself.
How does it make you feel?
Good. It's the best thing since sliced bread. It helps me. It's gotten my left side stronger and I can get up with it and I can get out of bed and get into my wheelchair. There's no help.
The pool, it's an amazing thing for our residents here in the neighborhood in Rio Rancho. It really helps them out to pull up from their bed and move around, around the pool. It helps them to balance and sit on the wheelchair. So it's an amazing idea for our residents. They also love it.
Our heartfelt thanks go to Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico and their Blue Impact Grant for empowering us to continue our mission. helping our communities stay strong by protecting those most at risk of falling and ensuring they can live safely at home.
Now you're set. Once you grab that bar, life is good again.
That's your kind of safety zone. You know, you get to that bar, you're good.
Funny you should say that because that's exactly what we named it, safe zones.